Hi, I'm Tom for Waterwise Botanicals. You know, it's crazy, I know, that you can actually sometimes cross one plant with another. Literally get them to exchange their genes. That's how I got these nice genes. And you can come up with a new plant. It's called the process of hybridization. And believe it or not, somebody took a plant that looks like this thorny, prickly, scary agave and crossed it with a leafy plant that looks something like this, called a Manfreda. Now that's not a Manfreda, but it looked kind of like that, and I just wanted to give you an idea of what the two looked like before they came together. And the result is Mangave. That's agave and Manfreda crossed together, Mangave Jaguar. That's right, that's what I said, Jaguar. Now, it's very rare, even in captivity, like we see here. But why don't we go out and find it in its natural environment? Here we are. We're sneaking up on the jaguar in its natural environment. Now remember, one of the parents was dangerous and toothy and scary. But the other parent was soft. And so now we have Manfreda Jaguar. And don't worry, it's not scary. She's soft. She's like a little teddy bear. Now, it comes to this stage where the Mangave Jaguar is trying to make babies. And so in just a matter of 2 months, this huge flower stem comes up. But it won't make babies. Why? You're probably thinking because it's a Mangave. But I'm telling you, even a woman-gave won't make babies, because a lot of times when you hybridize two varieties together, it makes a resulting plant that is sterile and it can't make viable seeds. Now, a lot of people are fascinated that this huge shoot can come up and come to flowering size in as little as 8 weeks or less. Other people don't think it's such a good look. So you want to know what you can do? Now, that's not a knife. Now, that's a knife. And that's all there is to it. Now, unlike agaves, where the plant gets ugly and dies after the flower stem, the Mangave has lots of family all surrounding him. And as he slowly eases away, you still have this beautiful foliage with the jaguar spots on its leaves. Tom for WaterwiseBotanicals.com